Should you quit your job? Well, are you a winner or are you a loser? I used to see myself as a winner. When I play a game, I want to win. In sports, I'm very competitive. I want to win. And my mom, she used to tell me, never quit, Rachel. So I grew up believing that quitting is losing. And it took me more than 40 years to realize that actually sometimes quitting is winning. If you know when to quit. I had to learn it the hard way. I went through sickness, through burnout, through stress to finally quit my job, travel the world to beautiful locations, and feel I am winning. Winners know when to quit. Winners decide when they want to quit. So yeah, quitting can be winning. Since I quit my corporate job a few years ago, I am a winner. I win in time. I win in freedom. I win in health. I win in money. I am a winner. And if you want to quit and be a winner, then these 4 simple questions will help you and guide you in your decision. The first question is, why do you want to quit your job? What are your reasons to quit your job? Be very clear and not emotional, because anger, frustration, stress, those are not the best guide. A lot of people, they quit without a plan. They jump without a parachute, take the leap of faith, but then they end up regretting or having to look for another job again. So be very clear on what your reasons are. What is your why to quit your job? I did make a video about 9 signs it's time to quit. That will also help you. And I'll put the link right below this video. The second question to ask yourself is about money. Can you afford to quit your job? Can you afford to hit that like button and the subscribe button? I sure hope you do. Can you afford to support yourself financially or your family when you quit your job? Do you have other opportunities, professional business opportunities lined up so that you are financially stable? There is this rule that everybody talks about. If you have 6 months worth of savings, then you're good enough to quit. But I've never needed that. Now, having said that, I did have the buffer because I did want to be financially stable, and you never know, you need a buffer. I changed my lifestyle completely. I'm traveling the world. I'm wearing shorts, flip-flops, just shirts every single day. I don't need suits. I don't need fancy dinners. I don't need fancy clothes anymore. I changed completely, and I am living more of a minimalistic lifestyle because I love this lifestyle. I'm living from a suitcase and I don't need anything else. So I never had to touch those 6 months of savings. In fact, I spend way less money than I used to when I had a job. No more obligations, just doing what I want. But that is for you to calculate. How can you support yourself? What is a lifestyle that you're looking to get? And then make your calculations based on that. I did make a video as well about saving money without looking cheap, very easy to accomplish so that you see your savings account grow very quickly, and I'll put a link of that video right below as well. The third question to ask yourself is, what is next? Where will you quit to? What do you have lined up after this? Will you be retiring? Will you be living off your savings? Will you become an entrepreneur? Will you become a freelancer? I made videos a lot about, freelancing and having your own business, starting with zero. I'll put the most important ones right below. For me, I wanted to freelance. I wanted to be an entrepreneur. I wanted to have my own business, be my own boss, make my own decisions, and make money on my own terms. I actually made a video about how I transitioned from a full-time job into the life that I live now. So it's those steps. I knew when I was still in my job that I wanted to quit, and I did it gradually. I like to talk about Google Maps because it's exactly the same. When you type in Google Maps, you type in your current location, this is you, this is where you are, and you type in a destination. If you don't know your destination, if you don't know where you're going, how can Google calculate the steps? It's not possible. So know your destination and then start taking the steps. So where will you quit to? Now, if you wonder if your skills can be monetized, or which skills can be monetized after you quit your job, or if your skills qualify to quit your job, then watch this next video that I made just to answer that question.